Without a software, the data that we are collecting and making public is not understandable, at least a major part of the data that is not understandable. So if you want to produce scientific outputs, you should think about, okay, I not only put out my paper, but I also put out the software that went with it, and of course the underlying data, and wrap that all together so that somebody else, but also myself in 5 years, can reproduce what I did there.